How to delete Telegram downloaded videos. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To delete the Telegram downloaded videos, simply launch Telegram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account on your Telegram. Now, tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and you will get multiple options. From there, you need to select settings and access the settings page of your Telegram. Under settings, you will get multiple options. Simply select data and storage. At the top, you will see text and network users section where you need to tap storage users. Now you will see the storage uses filled by different kinds of media such as stickers and emoji, videos, photos, document and many more. In order to delete Telegram downloaded videos, you can easily uncheck mark other medias and only select videos. After a while, tap clear selected and tap clear selected again to confirm. Then after that, your downloaded videos from Telegram will be automatically deleted on your device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.